In this video, you will learn, is Duolingo good for Spanish? Duolingo is an excellent tool for learning Spanish, especially for beginners or those looking to build a strong foundation. The app gamifies structure, making learning fun and engaging, for short, interactive lessons that cover grammar, vocabulary, and sentence construction. By using a mix of reading, writing and listening, and even speaking exercises, Duolingo helps learners practice key language skills in a balanced way. The repetition concept helps reinforce learning, making it easy to remember what you've just studied. However, while Duolingo is great for building basic skills, it might not provide enough depth for advanced learners or conversational fluency. The app sometimes can be limited on its coverage of more complex grammar topics or real-world conversations. For a more well-rounded learning experience, it's always beneficial to study or supplement Duolingo with other resources such as language exchange, Mission, or more in-depth grammar studies. Overall, Duolingo is a highly effective and accessible tool for learning Spanish, especially for many beginners looking to make steady progress. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe.